Make a great choice today with the 2024 Grand Cherokee 4xe. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe combines rugged capability with hybrid efficiency. Its plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers up to 25 miles of electric-only range, while its advanced off-road features ensure it's ready for adventure. With a luxurious interior and cutting-edge tech, it's the ultimate eco-friendly SUV. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front license plate bracket. Experience the perfect harmony